Gefran's 2850T series multifunction controller is designed to control the temperature in production processes used in industrial sectors, including automotive, food, metalworking, and more. Because of how feature-packed these controllers are, we wanted to do a deep dive on the major capabilities of this series. It features a 3.5-inch touchscreen and 6 function keys to help make navigation and operation a breeze. Up to 8 PID loops can be managed by this controller, and they are fully configurable. Each PID loop can be used as a control for a single loop, a valve, or control ratio, and it can be connected to the profile programmer or used as a cascade controller. Tuning is performed through advanced algorithms which ensure stable and accurate temperature control, avoiding exceeding set limits or having unstable process control, even in critical heat or fast motion processes. The setpoint profile programmer allows you to set programs to manage heat treatment cycles. The profile is the set of segments that describe the setpoint curve. You can create up to 200 programs stored internally, each of which can contain up to 50 segments. Up to 4 programs can be launched simultaneously, each of which can handle up to 4 synchronous profiles. The profile programmer can be set in synchronous mode or asynchronous mode. The data logger function combined with real-time clock stores process data, in and out signals, and the status of the alarms in an open or encrypted CSV formatted file. Saved files can then be exported from the controller via USB or Ethernet. The batch report option then allows you to associate this data with a specific batch produced to be able to use them in production and quality reports. The Report Utility PC application is available for easy management of all data logger data. The Production Batch Report feature allows you to copy and delete files via an Ethernet network between the controller and a PC, manually by the operator, or automatically at a configurable time. The data stored on the PC can then be displayed in a graphical format, a spreadsheet, or exported as CSV or PDF files. The recipe functionality helps you install components quickly and safely. 2 types are available: manufacturer recipes, which contain machine setup parameters, and production recipes, which contain single production settings, such as profile program, logical steps, and math function. These recipes can easily be transferred between different controllers via USB drives or over Ethernet. Complete diagnostics are collected by the controllers to make troubleshooting machine or process faults a breeze. All controller alarms are stored internally and can be viewed as active alarms or historical alarms. The relevant message is displayed for each historical alarm with the date and time of the various states. An internal energy counter with configurable offset alarm provides energy consumption and cost totals. For accurate timestamps, the controller supports the Simple Network Time Protocol service, which continuously updates the controller's date and time from the SNTP server connected via Ethernet network. The weekly clock function lets you automatically start or stop a programmer or a process without the need of operator intervention. Secure access to all controller parameters is guaranteed by 3 pre-configured password levels: operator, maintenance technician, and OEM manufacturer. This way, each user can only access the assigned functions and parameters. You can connect the controller to the factory HMI SCADA network by using standard Modbus TCP. Complete controller configuration is facilitated by the use of PC programming tool GF Express, which proposes intuitive wizard pages, permitting easy construction of customized graphic pages and advanced logic. You can view our full selection of Gefran controllers and more at galco.com.